A recent academic study says Tezos is threatened by selfish mining, providing a valid threat model for other live and up-and-coming proof-of-stake (POS) cryptocurrencies. The testy finding from selfish behavior and the Tezos proof-of-stake protocol, published last November by then Harvard researcher and current Google engineering intern Michael Nuder. The paper from Nuder and other Harvard researchers shows the profitability, albeit small, of selfish endorsing attacks in Tezos, a variant of selfish mining. Luckily for Tezos, the selfish mining concern can easily be patched through the network's flexible on-chain governance model, which conducts periodic votes for protocol changes in lieu of hard or soft forks. It was a great research paper, and we'd love to see more focus on economic and complex system interactions in cryptocurrency systems in academic and industrial research, Tezos Chief Security Officer Ryan Lackey told CoinDesk in an email. Thanks to our governance model, it is pretty easy to get the fix adopted. However, the ability to address governance issues quickly raises questions concerning possible trade-offs involved with on-chain governance, how voting works, and the possible outcomes of staking centralization. Key findings as described and proven by the researchers. A Tezos baker, the blockchain's term for miner, can be rationally incentivized to create their own blocks and receive endorsements from other bakers not connected to the main chain, creating a secondary invalid chain. Through the attack, the initial baker gains both the block and endorsement reward for the invalid block and can continue the attack until detected. If exposed, the baker's stake is slashed, punishing the baker for dishonest mining. In Tezos, stakers gain fractions of a block reward for endorsing the creation of a new block, which packages network transactions. Selfish mining occurs in Nakamoto-style consensus mechanisms, like Tezos, which follow the longest chain rule. Under the rule, the longest chain, containing the most work, is generally considered the correct pathway by network participants. The attack is far from lucrative, however, for two reasons. The net payout of an attack is insignificant, a mere 255 CX, $336 at today's prices, for staking 40% of the network's outstanding supply in 1 year. It is also highly costly if detected. Validators can have their stake in the network slashed if dishonesty is detected. Still, according to Masari research analyst Wilson Withiam, the study exposes understudied aspects of POS. It goes to show how little we know about POS mechanisms, let alone one in a working environment, Withiam told CoinDesk. As the less understood consensus mechanism next to proof of work, most POS attack vectors may remain unknown, and code changes like those implemented via the Tezos governance update Babylon could continue to unveil new vulnerabilities on live networks. Withiam said that with more POS networks launching in the near future, such as at 2.0 and Libra, understanding selfish mining attacks remains vital. Tezos Taketh attack may be unlikely due to the high costs, but Tezos is still taking the issue seriously. An ongoing election is expected to pass a network upgrade altering endorsement incentives, according to Adrian Brink of Tezos blockchain research firm Cryptium Labs. It is important to understand that most of these attacks, like selfish baking, are not short-term dangers but rather long-term dangers, since they are obvious if executed and only start to have a serious impact if executed over months to years, Brink said via direct email. The incident highlights Tezos on-chain governance, a unique feature among current blockchain protocols. For selfish mining, Brink said changing incentives to decrease the likelihood of attacks is the goal. The update hardens the security model in order to make more likely attacks, such as the selfish B. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.